हम हार जीत सक्सेस फेलियर में इतना उलझ जाते हैं कि कभी कभी ज़िंदगी जीना ही भूल जाते हैं. Hi guys, I'm Rajrupa Datta. Welcome to my channel. You're watching with R. First of all, I'm very overwhelmed for all the love and support you guys have shown me on my first video. I have received so many sweet texts and feedbacks which shows your concentration towards my video. Today's video is not a simple review video. We all have heard the news about Sushant Singh Rajput. We are all sad and upset because it's a shocking and unbelievable news. But what was more shocking was the circulation of disturbing pictures on social media. That's when I thought of making this video. Now let's remember the smiling face and the memories with movies. Let's call it a tribute from us to him. Let's talk about the movies now. The first movie on my list is Kai Po Che, which was released on 2013. This movie was based on Chetan Bhagat's book 3 Mistakes of My Life. Now, I have read the book first and then I have watched the film. So, जब आप कोई बुक पढ़ते हो तो उसका जो कैरेक्टर है उसे आप अपने हिसाब से इमेजिन करते हो. और जबकि मैंने मूवी बाद में देखी और बुक पहले पढ़ी तो इट वाज लाइक can I relate my imagination with the characters portrayed in the film, which was very much similar. It was a tale of three friends, Govind, Ishan and Omi. Govind played by Rajkumar Rao, Ishan played by Sushant Singh Rajput and Omi played by Amit Shah. ईशान को क्रिकेट खेलना पसंद है और गोविंद मैथ्स में अच्छे. अभी तीनों दोस्त मिलके एक कोचिंग क्लास शुरू करते हैं जहाँ पे गोविंद बच्चों को मैथ्स पढ़ाता है और ईशान बच्चों को क्रिकेट की ट्रेनिंग देता है. When they started their business, they went through a series of obstacles in their life, like earthquake, political riot, social disparities, and so on. How they dealt with the situation, how they all together survived all those obstacles were shown in the movie. It's a beautiful tale of friendship, its necessity in our lives, relationship, and sacrifice. The next film on my list is MS Dhoni The Untold Story, which was released on 2016. When I saw the poster of the film, for a fraction of a second, I thought it was MS Dhoni himself rather than Sushant Singh Rajput. Now the story of MS Dhoni's life and its portrayal in the film is very much inspiring for all of us. The film teaches us we must not stop dreaming. Rather, we must work hard to achieve it. APJ Abdul Kalam has once said, "Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep." Which means, सपना वो नहीं है जो आप सोते हुए देखते हो. सपना वो है जो आपको सोने नहीं देता. When MS Dhoni was in the railway, he was just running back and forth doing his job. But he knew that he was not meant for it. But when he played for our country, when he joined the Indian team, he knew that it was his dream and he was meant for it. The most important reason of watching the movie is the acting of Sushant Singh Rajput. No doubt he portrayed the character of MS Dhoni so well that after a certain point of time, it was like Dhoni himself who was playing the role rather than Sushant Singh Rajput. It shows his dedication, his hard work towards his career, his dream. The next film on my list is Kedarnath, which was released in 2018. The story revolves around Mansoor, who was a porter, portrayed by Sushant Singh Rajput, who falls in love with Mandakini, portrayed by Sara Ali Khan. Mandakini Akamukku was lively, cheerful and rebellious girl, while Mansoor was humble, kind and responsible. Story mixes with reality when natural calamity comes and destroyed their lives. This film shows the uncertainty of those people who lives on the mountain. First of all, it's a beautiful love story, and secondly, the journey from Gaurikund to Kedarnath and the scenic beauty adds more beauty to the whole movie. The last film on my list is Chichore, which was released in 2019. Now this movie is very relevant in our lives because some way or other we are all involved in that rat race. Every teenager who is appearing for the board exams or getting admissions in the colleges must watch this movie. Nowadays we can't take failure. We are afraid of failure. What happens if we stretch a rubber band beyond its flexibility? It torn. Sushant Singh Rajput, who has played the role of the father, comes and consoles his son when he commits suicide after failing in the entrance exam. He tells him the story of his life, which changed the perspective of his son towards failure. We think that failure is the end of our life, it's the end of our career. But it's very important to remember that failure is not the ending, failure is the beginning of the journey. This movie teaches us a very good lesson of life, and that is why it is very relevant. Now the purpose of making this video is to remember that dedicated and hard-working actor and his smiling face. All those questions circulating on social media is now irrelevant. Whether it's a murder or a suicide, all these WH questions are irrelevant because we have already lost the man. He is not with us anymore. Sushant Singh Rajput was a very good human being. He was a dedicated and hard-working actor. He has taught us many good lessons through his movies. Let's incorporate them in our lives and remember him through his smile and his movies. Otherwise, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any feedbacks, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. Let's end this video with some lines from Gulzar. हज़ारों उलझने राहों में और कोशिशें बेहिसाब, हज़ारों उलझने राहों में और कोशिशें बेहिसाब, इसी का नाम है ज़िंदगी, चलती रहिए जनाब. See you guys on my next video. Till then, stay tuned.